Have you or someone you know experienced shaky hands, also known as tremors, stiff muscles, loss of balance, slow body movement, blank facial expression, and difficulty thinking and understanding? If you are around the age of 60, although rarely diagnosed before 50, you may have Parkinson's disease. Let me introduce you to someone that personally has Parkinson's, my dad.
My name is Mark Callahan. Parkinson's is a chronic, progressive neurological disease of the brain.
It results from the loss of cells in various parts of the brain, including a region called the substantia nigra. The substantia nigra cells produce dopamine, a chemical messenger responsible for transmitting signals within the brain that allow for coordination of movement. Loss of dopamine causes neurons to fire without normal control, lessening the ability to direct or control movement.
It's not like diabetes or the flu. It's diagnosed through what they call a clinical diagnosis. And what they do in a clinical diagnosis is they look at the symptoms that you're showing. That would typically be tremor, or an irregular gait, the way you walk, REM behavior disorder, which is when you move, when you have REM sleep. They treat you with medication that called carbidopa-levodopa, and that is designed to mimic dopamine. And if you get positive results of that, they typically give you a diagnosis of having Parkinson's. Typically has a very little impact on your life expectancy. As my doctor says, your quality of life goes down because it is progressive and because it is degenerative, and there is no cure for Parkinson's. When you get treated for Parkinson's, they treat your symptoms. They try and reduce the amount of tremor you have, try and treat your gait, the way you walk, but there is no cure.
Parkinson's has been recognized in history many times by the ancient Indian system, as well as Western medical literature by the physician Galen, describing it as shaky palsy in AD 175. But it was not until 1817 that a detailed medical essay was published on the subject by London Dr. James Parkinson. The publication was entitled An Essay on the Shaking Palsy. This established Parkinson's disease as a recognized medical condition.
Well, you can stay in good physical condition through exercise. You can eat right. You can, consult with movement specialists, such as neurologists, to determine what known medications will treat the symptoms of Parkinson's. Well, there's more people in the world, so there's more people with Parkinson's. It's being diagnosed because people are living longer.
The National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, NINDS, are developing and studying therapeutic approaches to Parkinson's disease and translation focused on tools and resources that speed the development of therapeutics into practice. The goals of NINDS supported research are to better understand and diagnose Parkinson's disease, develop new treatments, and ultimately prevent Parkinson's disease. A few famous people who have been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease are Michael J. Fox, Muhammad Ali, George H.W. Bush, and Robin Williams. The Michael J. Fox Foundation is a charity that is dedicated to finding a cure for Parkinson's disease within the decade through an aggressively funded research agenda and to ensuring the development of improved therapies for those living with Parkinson's today. There is also the Parkinson's Disease Foundation, which finds the causes of and a cure for Parkinson's while supporting people with this disease, their families and caregivers through educational programs and support services. If any of these sound familiar, please talk to a neurologist. But if you are in high school watching this, you are lucky because it is very unlikely you have Parkinson's. Thank you.
It's better than a kick in the ass.